Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Today we're back with another video and we're going to be creating an email marketing campaign from scratch over here on Wix. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to type in email marketing and click on email marketing from the results drop-down so that we will be taken to the email marketing page on our Wix dashboard. So you can actually select from templates here or ask for assistance from Wix's AI to help you choose a template in case you're having a hard time creating one or choosing one, I mean. You can click on more templates over here to view more template options, or you can scroll down to the bottom. And this is where you'll be able to find the option to create your own email from scratch or to help you choose a template with the help of an AI. So we're going to be creating our own email from scratch. Let's click on this option. And here we are on the Wix email campaign editor. So as you can see, we have a blank email campaign over here that we can work on. Actually, I'm not very good at creating an email campaign, and so that we can have something to work on for today's demonstration, I created this example email campaign that ChatGPT generated for us so that we can have something to work on. So let's get started. The first thing I'd like to do is go to the themes button so that we can choose a nice theme over here. So feel free to select any theme that you like as long as it matches your branding. I think I like this one, although I'm not a fan of the colors, but we're gonna change that, so no worries. Okay, I'm gonna be creating an email campaign for a a restaurant site in this example. So we're gonna edit this email campaign to be relevant to our branding. So I've actually created a website, a restaurant website in the past, and that was called a Quick Bite. So I'm going to be creating a sample email marketing campaign for that so that we have something to work on. First, I'm going to change the background. So I'm going to go to background here, and I'm going to select a background that's more appetizing. So the color yellow is always something nice. I'm just going to choose a pattern that's already available here, but if you like, you can choose from colors or you can upload your own images by clicking on the plus button here. Click on Upload Media and click on Upload from Computer. Then select your file, then click on Open, and once you do that, your images will be uploaded here. Click on your selected image, say for example this one. Click on Add to Page and it'll be added here. And just like that, your background will be changed. So I'm just going to change it back to this one. Now, you can actually edit your inner background if you like to. So scroll down a little bit and click on Customize Inner Background at the bottom. And here you can decide whether you want to show the background color or not. I think having a background color um, would help make it easier for our recipients to read our email. So I'm going to keep it and I'm going to keep it white. For the border, I don't think I need it, so I'm just going to remove the border. But if you want to keep it, go ahead. You can also change your border color over here, like that. But I'd like to keep mine that way. Now I'd like to change the color of my header here. So I'm going to click on this so that this side panel over here will appear where we'll be able to format our text. So for the text color, I'd like to change it to something more appetizing, kind of like orange, for example, or maybe something else. How about that? Oh, no, I don't need a highlight, so I'm gonna turn off the highlight here and change the color. Much better. Okay, now we're gonna change our header here. So I'm gonna pull my notepad out and I'm going to copy this and paste it here. And actually it's way too big, so maybe we can adjust the size to something smaller. Okay, how about that? And then let's take care of our image now. So I'm going to click on this image and click on Change Image. We're going to select an image we want to use and click on Add to Page so that it'll be added. Let's go to Design and let's see if we can edit anything here. Maybe I'd like to edit the padding. So let's edit the padding to 50 above and another 50 at the bottom and click on Apply. Okay, now let's take care of the text over here. So actually, if you don't know what to write here, the good thing is that Wix is equipped with AI tools that'll help you and assist you in creating content for your site or for your email campaign. So in order to start using it, just highlight your text and click on Generate Text over here. So input your business name, your business type, and then select what type of text this is, if it's a title or if it's a paragraph. What's the topic of this text? Is it a welcome text, a promotional text? Choose whatever you want. And then input your prompt over here. Let's just put an example. Once you're done inputting your prompt, click on Create Text, and Wix's AI will give you 3 options to choose from. So select an option and click on Use Text if that's what you want, and it'll automatically be added over here. By the way, make sure to double check the text because sometimes AI can still create errors, generate mistakes, so it's important that we make sure that everything is error-free and that everything is also accurate and according to our original idea. And make sure that it's also providing correct details. By the way, I'm not very fond of this divider over here, so I'm going to click on it and just delete it instead. So now we're going to take care of our button. So I'm going to click on this button now, and first I'd like to take care of the design. So I'm going to select a color that suits our theme. I'd like to choose the same color as this one. So I think I'm going to click on this, click on text color and copy the color code. Go back to our button, click on design, and I'm going to paste the color code over here so that we will have the same color as our header. And I'm going to go to the content now and change our button text to order now. And for the regular URL, I think it would be best if we input our website's link over here so that whenever they click on it, they'll be taken to our website, where they'll be able to order this new item. once you're done editing your button, just click on apply. And there we go. We're almost finished. Now what's left for us to do is just to take care of our footer. So let's click on our footer. And over here, these are the things that we can add to our footer. Let's talk about them one by one. So you can actually show your Wix branding. However, you need to upgrade to remove the Wix branding. This is actually not available for us since we haven't upgraded this specific website to a pro or premium plan with Wix. Anyway, you can show your address by toggling this button on. If you want to hide it, you can just toggle this button off. But showing your business address would also be important in case your recipients might need that info in order to visit your site, or your address, I mean. Yeah. So go ahead and input that here. Same goes for your phone number. Make sure that every information you input here is accurate. For the social links, you actually have the option to choose. So what are these links for? Is this for sharing this email? So if you select this option, you can choose from 3 platforms below. So basically what this does is whenever a user or a recipient clicks on any of these platforms, they'll be able to share this on their social media profiles. But if you'd like to link to your social accounts, click social accounts over here. Select the social media platforms you'd like to use over here. For example, Facebook. Input your Facebook URL over here. And Instagram, input your Instagram URL over here, and so on and so forth. So what this basically does is that whenever a user or recipient clicks on these buttons, they'll be taken to your profile page or your page on that specific social media platform. Next, add a link to your site. So of course, this is also very important. If you'd like to link your site here on your campaign, input your website's URL over here. And then you can also edit the link text. So in our case, it says check out our site. You can also say visit us, like that. So put here whatever you want to put here. You also have the option to invite mobile members. So you can just simply toggle this on or off. If you want to toggle this on, you can click on invitation text and edit it. In our case, it says join us on our members app to stay updated and keep in touch. So for the link and text over here, download and join, you can edit what it says over here to whatever text you'd like to input. By the way, there's a note. The option to unsubscribe will be added to the bottom of this email, so there's no need for you to manually add it. So, okay, once you're done, click on apply and you'll be good to go. Basically, we've finished creating our email campaign from scratch. So go ahead and preview it. So go to preview over here. And this is how it's going to look like on PC. And this is how it's going to look like on mobile. Looks pretty good so far, but before sending it, it would be important for you to do a test email to make sure that it looks good once received. So for you to send out a test email, click on Send Test Email over here. Input the email you'd like to send a test email to. Input your subject here, your sender's name, and a reply to email if you want to. And then click on Send. Wait for the test email to be sent, and once you receive it, try to check it to see if it's okay. And if it is okay, then that means you're ready to send it. So click on Back to Editing, and then now click on Next. Now input the contact names or email addresses of your recipients. You can also select from um, groups or folders already over here. So all, for example, which means everyone on your contact list. However, if you haven't created a contact list yet, you can click on Import Contacts and import your contacts. Once you're done, click on Next, and you'll be able to see an overview of your campaign. Review everything, and if it's all good, then that means you're ready to send it. So you can either send it now, which will automatically allow you to send your email marketing campaign to your recipients right away at the moment you click this button. But if you like to schedule it at a later time, click on Schedule and select your desired date. And basically, that's all for today. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching.